From NYC. This is a quick tutorial on how to post a listing on Facebook Marketplace from your smartphone. If you don't have an iPhone. If you're a real estate agent, I suggest you make a Facebook business page posting a listing that's not of your own. Let's go in. I'm on my Facebook app on my phone. On the bottom right hand corner there's a button stated menu. Click on it and look through the shortcuts and look for the symbol Marketplace. Tap on Marketplace. The word selling on the top left hand corner, click on it, and then you'll be in a situation where you can post your listing. Click create new listing. We're doing home or sales for rent. Again, I do recommend, if you're a real estate agent, make a business page, but you must state your real estate brokerage if you're selling a property not of your own. Going forward, you're going to go ahead and post photos. Click add photos. I already have the photos added on my scroll, but if you have it on your phone, just click the manage button on the top right hand corner and add the photos to add it to the camera roll. Let's look for this picture. Uploaded the photos. Click home for rent. You can also post listings for sale as well. Then you come to the title. The title should be very catchy. It should include what's special about the property that you're listing. This one has private outdoor space. And also, it's also a large 1-bedroom in Harlem. Then we come to the rental type. Click what type of rental it is. If it's a house, a townhouse, or apartment. This is an apartment. Actually, an apartment in the brownstone in Harlem. This is a 1-bedroom, 1 bath. You're listing it for $2,000 per month. Okay, I got the address in there, but if you want to keep it private, if it's not your listing, there's a button to tap. You will put the property description here. I already have mine saved, so I will go ahead and paste mine. Space it out a bit to clarify it. Say the same thing twice, so let me take this out. It's supposed to be real quick, but I'm just doing this real fast. So the same thing 3 times. I didn't realize this, so you know this is authentic. Here's the description, my description. You know the square footage, you put the square footage. This is available now. Looking for a 1-year lease. Parking, street parking. Yes, it's AC. Yes, it's heat. It's cat friendly. And here's the amenities down there too as well if you want to add more amenities for your listing. Every apartment has a microwave, refrigerator. Okay, we'll go to next. And then you click the button, publish button on the bottom right hand corner. And you have your listing published. And that's how you post a listing from your phone to Facebook. And if you have a live listing, it's always great to schedule an open house to attract attention to your listing, which we will do right now. We're going to do in-person one. One bedroom in Harlem. We're going to schedule it for Wednesday. Today is the 23rd. Schedule it for Wednesday. It's at 4 o'clock. Good after lunch. After good inside. And we post it. I forgot to put the location. Or you could do an online open house. Your choice. Here we go. Categories at home. There. Posted my listing. I'm also having an open house this Wednesday at 4 p.m. Thanks for tuning in and have a great Sunday.